So a lot of people ask, what is wellness? And that's something that's never talked about. Even our official recommendations from CDC and the FDA and what we hear from the public is what's your blood pressure? What's your cholesterol? What's your cardiac risk? Are those important? Of course they are. That's for staying alive. That's not for health and wellness. If I live to 100 and I'm in a chair or a bed from 60 on, to me that's not wellness. So I want to be fully functional. So when people ask that question, we really have to consider, how do you feel? Does anybody ask you that? Whatever your age is, do you feel your best? And a lot of us are just beat down from a heavy life, working hard, all that kind of stuff, to the point where we think this is good enough. And then when you say to someone, hey, do you want to go for a walk? And they're like, I can go tomorrow. We just find we keep making those little excuses, and it becomes good enough. And I've worked in those situations, and you work in a nursing home and you find all these things and you think, is this it? So what we've done at NewMed is try to find, what is wellness? And what we've come up with is, I term it a lot, the 5 pillars, but you need nutrition. Your nutrition and my nutrition can be very different, but we need real human animal nutrition, not the garbage you see on TV. There's no special fad diet. It's nutrition. You also need physical activity. What does that mean? Running races and stuff? Not necessarily. My ancestors walked a lot. They were active. There's sleep. And I might be in bed, but am I getting quality sleep? That's another consideration. Stress relief. I might get that through my physical activity, but what am I doing to be a human? And then the final one I throw out there is a sense of purpose. Because if I'm the healthiest person on earth and I don't have a reason to be here, I'm going to be sad and just broken. So that's a quick overview of wellness. But why? Why do we even focus on wellness? And it's because my goal is not to retire at some magical age and get my lazy boy chair. My goal is to just keep doing things. I need to be a human and go from there.